Move my next schedule to tomorrow noon and send it to Jin.
This is the king of flagship smartphones. So Samsung is the absolute leader in AI smartphones, and with the Galaxy S25 series, they are taking it to a whole new level.
दोस्तों Galaxy AI है ना, true AI companion है. It is natural, conversational and intuitive. Yeah, it's revolutionary.
एक कमांड में 3 स्टेप्स से पूरे कर देता है in one go.
Fresh,
Talk, truly fantastic. This right here is the ultimate smartphone camera. इसमें है the most advanced pro visual engine on a Galaxy, जो कैप्चर करता है ultra fine details, वो भी चारों lenses से.
मतलब आप next level नाइटोग्राफी वीडियोस और पोर्ट्रेट शॉट्स शूट कर सकते हो इसके साथ. Thanks to their new pro visual engine.
This new 50 megapixel ultra wide sensor is the highest resolution on a Galaxy. Takes outstanding ultra wide shots with amazing detail. जब performance की बात आती है, the S25